Hello everyone, so here I am, Sakshi from Naksh by Sakshi. You can find me on Instagram, Pinterest and YouTube. So here we are to make these beautiful flowers using the watercolors from Thoovi. These watercolors are known for their transparency and appear more vivid than acrylics or oils. Today to make these flowers, I'm going to use Thoovi premium watercolor tubes which are known for its transparency and vibrancy. So we are going to use a 300 GSM A5 sheet, then watercolor tubes from Thoovi, a dropper and a paintbrush. Then we are going to use the color palette, a water tub and a damp cloth. You can even use the tissue paper for the same. For the flowers today, we are going to use two main colors, that is permanent red and blue violet. Now without wasting time, let's get started. Take the dropper and add water droplets, 5 water droplets on the sheet as shown. Now in the water droplets, add with the paintbrush the violet color and the permanent red color, bit by bit. Make sure that it doesn't move out of that water droplet. This is a fun watercolor doodle that we are doing. Now clean the brush properly. Now add permanent red color in the 2 water droplets that are left. Once you're done with this, clean the brush properly so that there is no color in the brush. If you closely look at the droplets, you're going to see the watercolor is being running inside those water droplets. Now you have 5 concentrated dots. Next, what you need to do is drag the colors with a clean wet brush to create the petals as shown in the video. Do it for all 5 concentrated dots that we had made. Please note that you do not need to add any colors here. You are just adding the water, the clean wet brush to create the petals, since the water is already there in the droplets and as well as the colors. So look at how the colors are moving with the help of the paintbrush, the round brush that I'm using. If you use a flat brush, then you'll be able to have some flat, or filbert brush, then you will have some petals like of dahlia or roses. But here I'm using the round brush to make the petals for an easy flower. Once you create all the 5 petals, then you can just bring in some extra fine lines to beautify your flower. Add the darker color, the violet color, blue violet color in between so that it makes the tentacles properly. Adding more details to your petals now. Add the fine details to the petals of the flower as required. Just add a bit of color at the center so that the petals are joined together with the center. Now just add the fine details according to your needs for the floral, as shown in the video. So the Thoovi watercolors are highly pigmented, as you can see. A little bit of watercolor and you could make the flower so well. As you can see, the Thoovi watercolors are highly pigmented and therefore they are highly vibrant as well. You can see the flower is so vibrant with the permanent red color and the blue violet color. So this was the 5 petal flower. Now we'll do 3 petal flower. So for that, put 3 dots using the dropper of water as shown. Now add colors to it. The watercolors, the Thoovi watercolors to it. So the two colors that we have used is permanent red and blue violet from the set of 12 Thoovi premium watercolor tubes. They are available in 15 ml tubes and they are even available separately. Now after adding the color, we'll again use the same technique that we used in the 5 petal flower with a clean wet brush to create the petals. So here it is a 3 petal flower, so we are going to drag it only for the 3 watercolor small concentrated dots that we had made. Give the shape of a petal for all the 3 dots, and here goes the 3 petal flower. Hope you find this tutorial helpful for you to create a 5 petal flower and a 3 petal flower from the small concentrated dots. Isn't it fun to create these watercolor doodle florals? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section. Now just give the details to these petals by adding details to each petal by just dragging the petals outside in different shapes. Add the darker shade, that is blue violet color, at the center so that all the petals join together. So here the darker shade is being added and look how it is dancing in the petals. Now if you find that you need to add a few more details, so for detailing work, add a few more details with the darker blue violet color as shown. So here is the final look of the 5 petal and 3 petal flowers of the tutorial. You can use any other color scheme that you want to make these flowers. Hope you like the process as much as I did. Please tag me at @Naksh by Sakshi and Thoovi whenever you recreate this tutorial. We would be happy to see your recreations. Follow us, stay tuned for more offers and exciting challenges by Thoovi. Thank you for watching this video.